Hello and namaste from Mumbai. This is Dr. Gaurav. I'm here to talk to you about integrated treatment in, especially in cases of cancer, where along with whatever treatments that the oncologists prescribe, that is chemo, radio, immuno, hormone therapy, homeopathy can actually be supportive and especially help in reducing the internal disease, the internal situation with the cells. I want to share with you a very interesting experience recently. This is a case of a 74-year-old man based in Mumbai with CA prostate, where the PSA levels were very, very high, above 500 actually. He came to us along with they wanted to start hormone therapy along with homeopathy. So what we started is we wanted to do a kind of integrated treatment together. His main symptoms was certain pains. He had chronic constipation, flatulence for a very long time. But the main thing I saw about him, and this is the whole beauty of homeopathic case taking, that we treat the man in the disease. So we try to go much more deeper. We try to understand the person in the disease, and that's why the homeopathic kind of remedy works at much deeper level, almost at a cellular level. So the main thing I observed about him is that he is very very cautious. Something shouldn't happen. I'm very scared. Kuch ho jayega, and he is very very careful, very very careful. He will drink the water. He will drink like this. Something shouldn't happen. I shouldn't get pain. Very careful. Also, back pain he had previously, which he would be very very scared of. The observation of the relative is that recently, even if he gets little gas, he gets very scared. Arey, what will happen? Something will happen. Should I go to the hospital? So, lot of kind of, he has made his life and the compensation of the reaction to his diseases, he has become very, very careful and cautious and constant kind of feeling something will happen. So in homeopathy, we try to understand the individual in this way. We don't just try to understand the person, but we try to understand how is the person responding, coping up in the disease. This is the individual reaction we try to understand. He's become very careful. He's become very cautious. But somewhere he also says during the case taking that he has accepted his illness. Okay, this is what it is. No problem. I try to understand about his nature. In homeopathy, in the case taking, we try to go in different areas of one's life. His basic nature, temperament, fears, anxieties, dreams, childhood, difficult situation in life, his generalities, what he likes to eat, what he doesn't like to eat, his reactions to thermals, to cold, warm. So we try to, take a like a holistic view. And this is what it is. Homeopathy is a very kind of holistic medicine in that way, holistic remedy we find. So he's very introvert, very kind of closed kind of personality. He doesn't share much. In fact, a little bit towards the idea of a little secretive. He doesn't share too many things. Not too many people feel or know too many things about him. The other thing about him that the family members say, and this is very important in homeopathy, we not only take the history from the patient, we also try to take observations from the relatives. So, his daughter-in-law, etc., they try to share. Very, 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 they say is very, very punctual. Very, very punctual. Very, very fixed about time. Everything has to happen according to the time. I ask him, what is your sensitivity? His main sensitivity is that, his family, relations, everyone in the family, they should be together. They should not break. The main feeling is that his family should not break. They should all be together, they say. Together, not break. I want everyone to be together. I should be part of them. They should not break. This is a strong sensitivity to breaking. This is where, this is what he talks about all the time. He's very chilly. He's very affected by cold air. He loves tea, chai, non-veg. Professionally, he has his own business, and he's now based in Delhi. Um, He had come to see me here in Mumbai in my clinic. He's now shifted to Delhi, and he is a kind of person who is very kind of fixed about his views, about different things, about his choices, about everything that he does. The main thing that you realize now is that he nowadays doesn't like too much of noise, too much of crowd. He wants to be in his own kind of thing. And then I observed his palms, his feet, and you see there are many warts on the body, many moles on the body. So this is the case in short. Once I see this case, we try to form a portrait of the disease. Portrait of the disease means we try to find a remedy for the patient, but for that we need to make a totality. And what is the totality here? So the totality here is, you can see a person who's very careful, very cautious. This is his response to the disease, okay? Constant feeling something will happen. Something will happen. Fear something will happen. Also, he has accepted. Also, cancer, growth, and also moles. So you can see there's a lot of psychotic miasm here. Yeah? And his main sensitivity, you can see, is about fixed. Everything has to be fixed. Everything has to be in a routine. It is 9 to 2. He has to has this 2 to 3. This 3 to 4. This, everything fixed. Tack, 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 tack. This is the thing. Very fixed. He loves tea. So when you put all of this together and you try to understand a remedy based on this, very chilly also. You see the remedy Thuja in homeopathic understanding. It belongs to the conifer family. And also the main sensitivity of conifer family is that of breaking. The main feeling is as if everything is very delicate and it will break. Acid. And that's the feeling of our patient, that my family should be together and not break. So beautifully, and by the way, Thuja is one of the top remedies in prostate related issues, especially prostate cancer. There's one more remedy I often prescribe, is flutamide. It's a remedy that we use in potentized form. It's a very beautiful remedy as well we have. So that's what we gave Thuja, and almost now I believe a few months have passed, and the good news is that in the integrated treatment, that means homeopathy was given along with hormonal therapy, the PSA levels have come back to normal, and it's a case we are still treating. But the reason that I wanted to share with you is that I just spoke to this patient about a month back. The reason why I wanted to speak to you about this case was because it's a difficult time, it's a challenging time, different type of diseases. Patients are already on different treatments. The need for integrated treatment, the need for holistic integrated treatment. So I believe that when we can kind of, work together, along with whatever treatment the patient is on the modern medicine, homeopathy can be a very important adjunct together, and it can work together to heal the patient heal within. So this is what I want to talk to you about. Thank you and namaste from Mumbai. Stay well.